Hello guys, welcome back. This is Mariahe and searching for a full-time job while doing some academic works to share some tips with you guys who are taking exams like the LET or the DSC scholarship exam and of course the college entrance test. Okay? Ano pang hinihintay nyo? Mag-start na kayo. Uy, mag-start lang guys. You don't have a perfect setup. Wala talagang perfect setup. Wala talagang perfect timing. Pagod ako. Ang daming reasons. Gusto kong gumawa nito. Gusto kong maglinis nito. Gusto kong linisin yung table ko. Ang daming reasons. Ang dami mong reasons. Ang dami mong excuses. Just start. Mag-review ka na. Kahit 5 minutes lang yan, kahit 10 minutes lang yan per day, magli-lead pa rin yan ng good results. Kaya, mag-start ka ng mag-review, ha? Walang perfect setup. Mag-review ka na. Okay? Let's go, let's go!